Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is Introduction to Coordination in Animals, Nervous Control. So let us first talk about the systems of control and coordination. Now students, we have two such systems in the human body. First is the nervous system and the second is the endocrine system. Now students, let us talk about a very important subtopic, that is transmission of a nerve impulse. What exactly is a nerve impulse? It is just a wave of electrochemical change. Let us take a look at it in detail. Nerve fibers are the ones which help in the transmission of these nerve impulses. Let us take a look at the various steps. The very first step is the resting condition. What you see here in this beautiful diagram above me is a part or a section of an axon. Students, this outer part which is positively charged, it is because there are more sodium ions, that is Na plus ions, on the outer side of the axon as compared to the inner side. Now in this state, the axon is ready to receive particular impulses. This particular state is called as the polarized state. Next students, the second step is the excited state. Now in this, if you see in the diagram above me, you will see that there has been a change in the polarity. Now this occurs because the stimulation causes an inward flow of the Na plus ions, and therefore so many positively charged ions come inside that now the inner portion of the axon becomes positively charged and the outer portion has a comparatively negative charge. This particular position or this particular phase is called as depolarized state, or this particular process is called as depolarization. And students, the last phase is that of repolarization, wherein the axon goes back to its original position, that is to its original polarity. This occurs by outward flow of Na plus ions, therefore making the outside of the axon positively charged and the inside of the axon negatively charged. So students, the three phases or the three stages of transmission of a nerve impulse are resting stage, excited stage and repolarization.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.